Mga kadads, may mapapansin kayo sa third trimester at baka makonfuse kayo if hindi nyo alam kung ano to. Yung bigla na lang gusto maglinis ng buong bahay ni wife, ayusin ang cabinet, i-reorganize ang ref, at paulit-ulit na tinitiklop ang mga damit ni baby. Minsan kahit gabing-gabi na may energy pa rin siyang mag-ayos. This is called nesting instinct and it's completely normal. Ito yung tatlong bagay that every dad should understand about it. It's not pagiging OC, it's instinct. As the due date gets closer, her body is telling her na i-prepare mo na yung bahay dahil malapit nang dumating si baby. So kapag nakita mo na busy siya maglinis at mag-ayos, huwag mo agad sabihin sa kanya magpahinga ka na. Instead, ask her, ano pa ba ang kailangan gawin? I'll help you. Number 2, it's her way of feeling in control. The truth is, there are a lot of things she can control. Yung labor, yung delivery, and the uncertainty that comes with it. Pero yung bahay, nursery, at mga gamit ni baby, those are things she can prepare. So kapag paulit-ulit niyang tinitiklop ang mga damit ni baby at nire-rearrange ang nursery, minamanage lang niya ang anxiety niya and preparing for your baby's arrival. So as a dad, huwag mo agad i-dismiss ito. Be part of it. Third, nesting can be a sign that labor is getting closer. Many moms experience a sudden burst of energy days or weeks before dumating si baby. So kapag biglang gusto mag-ayos ni mami ng buong bahay, take it as a reminder to check your preparations too. Make sure the hospital bag is ready at alam mo na rin ang ruta papuntang hospital at ready ka kapag dumating yung moment na yon. Mga kadads, nesting isn't a problem na kailangang ayusin. This is actually a beautiful sign that mommy is already loving and preparing for your baby in her own way. And one of the best things you can do right now is simply be her partner. Support her at lagi mo lang siyang i-remind na handa na kayo. This is Daddy J, and if you found this helpful, share it with other dads. Follow for more. Ingat!